Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Azzams. This is Julin back with another simple recipe here from Bali, Indonesia. In today's video, I am going to be showing you a quick and easy tofu poke. So tofu poke is a very popular Hawaiian dish that we make on the Hawaiian Islands. And for those of you who have never seen a video from our channel, I'm Julin and I'm born and raised from Hawaii on the Big Island. So there's a few ingredients that is not readily available here in Indonesia that I would love to have in this particular recipe. But we're going to make an easy version, and let me know down in the comments below if you tried tofu poke. So let's talk about the ingredients. Tofu, which is Indonesian tofu that I found here on the island, along with soy sauce or shoyu, of course sesame seed oil. And if you're in Hawaii, you can use limo kohu, which I don't have. So I'm gonna substitute it with furikake, which is a Japanese seasoning. We like to use this in a lot of our dishes in Hawaii. I got local green onion, red onion, and we found local ginger. And if you're in Hawaii, you can also use Hawaiian sea salt. The first thing I'm gonna do is just find a piece of ginger, and we are going to grate it. We don't need a lot. I think that's enough. Tofu poke is a very popular dish we like to eat in Hawaii. And in Hawaii, we say it's a pupu, or in English, an appetizer. So this is something that you will see very common at Hawaiian get-togethers, parties, luau's. Some green onion. Alright, I'm excited to try their tofu. I like to get firm tofu. You can also use fried tofu if you can find it. Otherwise, firm tofu is okay. Wow, this is very firm tofu. I like very small cubes of tofu. You can definitely make it bigger if you want, but I have a small bowl, so I'm making it a little bit more tinier. So this is something that we like to make back home in Hawaii as a pupu. And of course, it tastes better when it is chilled for a little bit, and then you can serve it. Also, I would love to make ahi poke, but I wanted to share tofu poke as we're in Southeast Asia and Indonesia is very popular with tofu. Take a few more pieces and then we're gonna start adding the rest of the ingredients. That's nice. Okay, that's looking good. So now we'll add a little bit of shoyu. A little bit of sesame seed oil, not a lot. I'm loving the look of this portion. Obviously, if you have a bigger bowl, you can continue adding more tofu. One block of tofu is nice. As you can see, I have it a little bit smaller than usual. All right, we're gonna add some furikake in here. Any variation of furikake is good. Or you can use roasted sesame seeds if you don't have furikake. And of course, if you're in Hawaii, then you're going to want to add limo kohu and Hawaiian salt. Looks pretty good considering I'm making this with whatever ingredients I can find here in Indonesia. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy recipe of my version of tofu poke here in Bali, Indonesia. Again, this is a Hawaiian favorite of mine, and although I can't find a few of the Hawaiian ingredients that I would love to put in this recipe, I may do with what I can find here in this part of the world. And I thought it'd be fun to share a very cultural dish here on the channel, considering that tofu is very popular here in this part of the world. Let's get my Palestinian husband for a first impression. Alright, so my favorite part of the video, first impression.
First impression. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim.
I made this a lot while we were in Emirates.
Mmm. That's look amazing.
And it's vegan.
You like these things?
Of course. And if you're like my husband, or for those Hawaiians out there who likes things spicy, you can put Hawaiian chili pepper in here to kick it up a notch. Mmm. Let's get some onions. And of course, this tastes better when it's chilled.
Yeah.
Mmm.
That's look amazing.
So, if you want, and if you're in Hawaii, you know that we enjoy eating poke, any style of poke with poi. Or if you're not in Hawaii, you can enjoy poke alone by itself, chilled, or over a bed of rice, maybe with some edamame, some chopped cucumber salad. That wraps up another video here from Bali, Indonesia. If you enjoyed seeing another episode of Cooking with Azzams, don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you on the next one. Aloha and
Wassalamu alaikum.
bye from Bali.
Bye.
Hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with the Azzams.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Mahalo nui loa and
Wassalamu alaikum.